Hi everyone, I will show you how to do a poll on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram app, then swipe right and take a picture. Now tap the sticker icon on the top and tap the poll icon. Now you can ask any question and write here, and you can also write here any option. And if you want to change the color of the poll, then tap the color icon on the top of the middle. Now you can see the poll will be applied on your story. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.